Hello everyone, I bought this typewriter, the Continental standard. It's from 1927 and in 90 years the decal with the name disappeared. In general it's in good overall condition except for the carriage tie rod, the front decal, the main decal, the knobs are a little rusted. Luckily I have a catalogue with the spare parts. Let's see how much I will spend with the complete revision of the typewriter. It's a German catalogue from 1937, so prices are in Reichsmarks, the currency of that period. Let's find the spare parts I need. First of all, the plate with the decal is the part number 7410. It cost 3.75 Reichsmark. Then the knob. I think it's this, the 7381. 12 Reichsmarks, it's a lot. Let's see what else I need. Here the front cover, part number 6070, 3.75 Reichsmarks. Now I only miss the tie rod of the carriage. It's this. I think it's the part number 6450A, 0.40 Reichsmarks. I think that's all. The total is 19.90 Reichsmarks. I don't have all this money. I only have 0.85 Reichsmarks. So I think I will only change the decal. It's free because my father had a little collection of very old decals. I don't know where he found these. Some of these seems to have more than 50 years. The problem is that the decals are very old and crumbly, and it's difficult to apply it to the typewriter. Usually to resolve this problem I apply before the glue on the decal and I let it dry. Doing so, it will make the decal more resistant. I wait till it's dried, then I apply the glue on the plate of the typewriter. And I place the decal on the plate. Applying some pressure to expel all the air. Now we have to wait till it's dried. While waiting, I want to show this little collection of all microscopes from the beginning of 1900. I bought these recently. I think I will do soon a video. Some of these appear to be still working, and they have the original boxes. We could look at some shells and other little things. Maybe we will make some discoveries. I remember when I was young, I had a microscope and I enjoyed a lot looking in it. It was not so different from this. I think it means I'm quite old. After the glue is dried, I use a brush and the water to moisten the decal. I use warm water. I carefully peel off the paper of the decal. Very careful. It has been easy. First times I tried it, I destroyed some decals. Now I'm an expert. It seems nice. With some water and many patience, here again the decal on the typewriter. The typewriter is ready to show proudly its name for other 98 years, and without spending any Reichsmark.